Psalm 24. Ascension and the King of Glory. The earth is the Lord's, and the fullness thereof, the world and they that dwell therein. For he hath founded it upon the seas, and established it upon the floods. Who shall ascend into the hill of the Lord, or who shall stand in his holy place? He that hath clean hands and a pure heart, who hath not lifted up his soul unto vanity, nor sworn deceitfully, he shall receive the blessing from the Lord and the righteousness from the God of his salvation. This is the generation of them that seek him, that seek thy face, O Jacob, Selah. Lift up your heads, O ye gates, and be ye lift up, ye everlasting doors, and the King of glory shall come in. Who is this King of glory? The Lord strong and mighty, the Lord mighty in battle. Lift up your heads, O ye gates, even lift them up, ye everlasting doors, and the King of glory shall come in. Who is this King of glory? The Lord of hosts. He is the King of glory. Selah. Devotional Meditation. Psalm 24 is the triumphant entrance of the King of glory into his holy hill. It begins with creation, the earth is the Lord's, and ascends to divine qualification, clean hands and a pure heart. But it climaxes in a cosmic command, lift up your heads, O ye gates. This psalm is prayed at liturgical entrances, processions, and even exorcisms. It is the song of the risen Christ entering the heavenly Jerusalem and of every heart that receives the King of glory. It also calls forth the generation that seeks the face, those who prepare the way of the Lord within themselves and their nations. Invocation of Activation. O King of glory, ascend in me. Cleanse my hands, purify my heart, and raise my gates. Let the everlasting doors of my soul open wide. Come in, O Lord of hosts, rule here forever. Amen.